Today we talk about how can you enable account information notifications on your YouTube TV app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click on settings here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. You come to account information, just clicking this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's main account information notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.